Hey guys, Jenny here with Isa and I'm back with another review. I'm really excited actually about this one because I haven't tried their products and I've heard a lot of great reviews, from friends and from, a lot of YouTubers on here that have tried their products. So I was really happy that they actually agreed to send me stuff, and I'm super excited to try them out because, like I said, I've never tried their products before. So I can't wait. So this is like my first time trying Becca. Okay, I know I'm like out of the loop, right? And I know you guys can't believe why I haven't even tried their products, but anyways, I'm excited. And they sent me complimentary these items for me to try and review and share this with the First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh with a primer. You can use it on its own and to just give you like a nice glow, and it's basically for like a bad face day. So your instant fix for bad face day, introducing your new pick-me-up, a lustrous lavender hue priming filter powered by luminescence that perks and perfects the complexion. So I'm excited to try this. I'm actually going to try this on its own, and then I'm probably gonna do a makeup look after this. So I'm gonna use it as a primer. And they also sent me, let me see, their under eye brightening corrector, this one right here, and this also can be used on its own or with makeup. I like that supposedly it prevents like the eye creasing under here, and I deal with that, and it's really annoying sometimes because like I have to like set my concealer like really quick with powder before it starts creasing. So I'm hoping that this really does work. So let's see, I'm trying to read what it's saying. So it brightens and corrects under eye darkness. So I'm excited to try this one out because of my creasing that I get underneath my eye. So we'll see if this works. So let's get started. I'm gonna open up the packaging. I'm going to first, alright, so let's open the box up, and it comes with instructions. Use under foundation or alone in the T-zone or all over the face. Okay, that's it. Alright, so it comes in this really cool, neat bottle. And you see the purple hue. So I'm going to be applying this all over my skin. And let's see what happens. So I'm going to take a little bit, okay? And I'm just going to use my hands. You can, use your brush, whatever you want. So I'm going to apply it all over. I don't know if this is a lot, but let's see. So then I'm going to massage it. And just apply it. It smells really good. It smells like lavender. It's really like refreshing. It feels really good. Like I think this would be perfect like when you go out and have like a really long night but only get like 2 hours of sleep because you had so much fun. I think this would be like amazing, like that day of where you're like, oh my god, I need to get some sleep, I have a hangover. I really like how it smells. So So is my face brighter, guys? Is what's brightening up my face? Okay, I like how it feels. I would definitely wear this just like this on days that I don't like wear makeup, and that's like a lot of, you know, most of the week. Now I'm going to apply the under eye. Okay, let's hope that I don't drop this one either. Alright, so it's a cute little packaging, you know, rose gold, and it's pink, peach. Now let me take my spatula so I can scoop some out. Okay, so I'm taking my spatula and I'm gonna scoop some out. So I'm only gonna take a little bit like this. And again, I'm going to apply it with my fingers. And I'm going underneath my eyes. I mean, like, it's supposed to brighten up my eyes, so my under eyes. And I have, you know, bad under eye circles, or at least I think I do. Okay, wow. Do you see that difference? That really did brighten up my under eye. Look at this one is with the Becca under eye brightening corrector, and this one's without it. So this is pretty cool, pretty amazing. It's job. I'm excited for this one. Okay, I'm sold, Becca. I'm sold. Like, this really does work. So this is going to be like my everyday thing now, because I have like really bad under eye circles. Sometimes I don't sleep, and you know, sometimes I don't feel like wearing makeup, and it's just like I have to, because, you know, I have really bad under eye circles and I don't want to look like I'm like dead and something. So yeah, this is a must. If you guys have that problem, you guys have to get one of these. Like, seriously, you guys saw it. Hands down, Becca, you guys did an amazing job with this. So I'm sold. Alright, so now let's move forward to doing my makeup. Okay guys, so I already have my Becca primer on, and the, you know, under eye brightener corrector from Becca as well. So like I said, you can leave this, you know, on its own and just go about your day, which I'm planning to do that. But for this video, I'm going to be using my airbrush, and I'm not gonna add concealer or anything. I'm just gonna do the airbrush full face and a little bit of shadow, mascara, and blush and a lip color, and that's it. Super easy, but I'm really happy with these products, and I'm definitely going to be restocking these once I'm out. Definitely the under eye brightener, because if you guys saw like the instant change, and that for me is freaking amazing, because I honestly haven't found anything like this. So if you guys have the same issue that I do with under eye circles, you guys need to get this. So let me start with my airbrush. And you guys know, like, the deal when it comes to these reviews. Like, yeah, Becca sent me these complimentary, but like, this is my opinion, what I think about it. So I'm not getting paid to say any of these good things about this product. So just so you guys know, this is like my honest review, okay? Alright, so trying to get my gun to work. sometimes it can get stuck, like it can get clogged. Okay, so bear with me. So I'm just gonna go over the brightener and just apply my airbrush. I want it to be like super natural, so I'm going to apply the airbrush just on the areas that I need. And I already had done my eyebrows before, like starting, you know, my foundation. And if you guys haven't tried like airbrush, you guys need to try it. So I'm almost done with my foundation, just going over it with my eyebrows, just so they don't look so dark and they look like they're blended in. Now a little bit of air. So now I'm going to take a little bit of just brown eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it on the crease. Again, I'm keeping this look like super simple, super natural. I add a little bit on the crease, just to a little bit more depth to my eyes. And this is really just like my regular, like everyday makeup, super simple, like that. And then I'll take like a clean brush and I'll just blend the edges out like that. Then I'm going to take a contour like inked gold brush and I'm just going to contour my cheeks just a little bit. And a little bit on my jawline, my forehead. And I'm going to blend that out just a little bit. And again, trying to keep things like super natural, guys. Now I'm going to add a little bit of blush. Like this. And it's all about blending, so I go back and I blend with my brush. And I am going to take a liquid, actually no, this is a lip gloss. I'm gonna take a lip gloss and it's like a pink color with like shimmer. Like this, super simple. This is like everyday makeup. I'm gonna take my eyelash curl and just curl my lashes. And a little bit of mascara. So a little bit goes a long way, like that. Okay, super natural. And then, what's next? I think I'm done. I think this is it. Yeah, I think this is it. This is the final look. Super natural, everyday makeup. And again, I use the Becca First Light Priming Filter. And I do like this. Really happy. And then I use the under eye brightening corrector. This is I love so much. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this review of Becca, and I'm like so happy that they picked me and I get to review this product for you guys because I'm like so in love. So I'm sold on Becca. Definitely will be buying more of their products, and thank you so much to them for sending me, you know, these 2 items so I can review for you guys. Like, I love them. If you guys want to get them, make sure to check out my link below. And if you guys are enjoying these reviews, please let me know. Let me leave me a comment down. Leave me a comment on the, oh my gosh, I can't say anything. Leave me a comment, okay, if you guys are enjoying these reviews, and share it out with your friends. Give me a like and catch me on next time, guys, because I got a lot of reviews to do, so keep an eye out for that. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.